In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align elements in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting with Webflow, aligning elements properly is a crucial skill to create visually appealing and functional websites. Let's dive right into this process to make sure you can do it effortlessly. To start, you'll need to place the elements you want to align inside div blocks or containers. Think of these as the organizational bones of your web page, which help keep everything neat and structured. They're like boxes where you can place various items like text, images, or buttons, creating a more modular design. Placing elements inside these structures not only gives you more control over their appearance, but also enhances your site's responsiveness, which is key for a polished, professional look. Once your elements are nestled securely inside their respective div blocks or containers, you'll need to select a suitable display type for these containers. Among the options you have, I highly recommend opting for the Flex display type. Flexbox is a powerful CSS layout module that provides an efficient way to lay out, align, and distribute space among items in a container. It's fantastic for ensuring that your design remains consistent across different devices and screen sizes. After configuring the display type to Flex, you'll notice that an alignment grid will pop up in the Style panel of your Webflow interface. This is where the magic happens. The alignment grid offers a visual guideline to help you place your elements precisely where you want them. It's a friendly guide ensuring that your elements are aligned just the way you envision them. In this grid, you can select various alignment options, such as centering your content horizontally or vertically, aligning items to the start or end, or even spacing them evenly. You have a lot of flexibility here to tailor the layout, so it perfectly matches your design goals. Explore these options to understand what aligns best with your design vision. You might be wondering how to make certain your layout will look good on different screens. As a tip, always preview your design on various screen sizes within Webflow. This habit ensures that your alignment choices work effectively across different devices, delivering an optimal user experience. By following these steps, you'll have well-aligned elements that contribute significantly to the visual appeal and usability of your website. You've now equipped yourself with a fundamental Webflow skill that boosts both your efficiency and the aesthetic quality of your work. When your elements are neatly aligned, the overall structure of your web page not only looks better, but also functions more smoothly. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to explore these techniques further in your own projects. Happy designing!